Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about a teacher web resource called Padlet that you can use in your classroom. In summary, Padlet is an online bulletin board type app that allows you, the teacher, to post about any topic you choose. So there's a lot of different uses for this website that I'm going to show you today. I think it's a really great resource for teachers who are teaching any age group. And you can look at it online, so students can access it online or through the App Store on a cell phone or an iPad or anything like that. And I'm going to access it through Safari on my Mac, but it also works in Google Chrome. So the first thing you're going to do is type in www.padlet.com, and it will bring you right to the site. So normally you would need to just create an account. They are free. You can make up to 3 Padlets for free and use them as much as you want to. Since I already have an account, I'm already logged in. As you can see, I'm already a part of 2 different Padlets. But let's just say that we're being the teacher today and we want to make a Padlet for our classroom. So the first thing you're going to do is come up here to make a Padlet, and you can pick any layout you want. So depending on what type of assignment you're planning for your students, you might want a different type of layout. For this, I'm just going to pick this wall Padlet. So there's a lot of different options you can do here. You can title it anything you want. Go down here and change the theme, the icon. One really cool thing I like about Padlet is you can set a profanity filter. So because your students will probably be posting on this, being able to have this filter really is great, so that if they were to type anything that they shouldn't, and maybe you're not going to check it for a day or two, if there's anything inappropriate, it's already filtered out. You don't even have to worry about it. You can set where new posts show at first or last, displaying the author's name. You can also allow your students to comment on each other's work and give reactions, so I really like that. You can allow them to grade each other's work or star it, vote, like it, upvote it, anything like that. And you can set to tag, and it has a specific URL. So after you do all of that and have all your settings, you can set your privacy. So what you would probably want to do for this assignment is make it secret, so that you can share it with your students, but that way no one else can access it and post on there. Also, you can set it so that whoever's viewing it can have different types of access. So if you have something you've put on there that maybe you only want your students to look at, you can set it so they can just read it. If you want them to be able to post their own, you can set it to can write. That's probably more of what you would want to be using as a teacher. And then you could also set it to they could moderate it, but again, that's probably just something you're going to want to be doing, using Padlet for your purposes in your classroom. So then you're going to click next, and you're all set, and students can start posting simply by pushing this red button down here. As you can see, there's a lot of different things you can do on Padlet. So they can title it whatever they want, they can add URLs, links, they can upload videos and pictures, they can even take a picture, anything like that. So again, this is a great resource for you to use in your classroom. I'm just going to go back and show you the one that I did. So I actually used Padlet for my Prezi presentation in this class. And so what I did, students were supposed to be writing poems, and after they wrote them, they were going to share them on the Padlet. So I went ahead and put one of mine on here. So I gave them explicit directions. I provided them with a link, so students would be able to come to this page, click this button, and add their own poem on here. So as you can see, I've got my poem, and it has a snowman. They were also supposed to upload a picture. Again, Padlet has a resource called the gallery. So if we go back here, we can go to the gallery, and other teachers or anything else you can see. As you can see, teachers are using this for book reports, so they're allowing students to post their assignments here. I really like this one as well. It's a bookshelf, so this is something even parents could use. So if maybe a student is struggling with rhyming, give a parent this web link and say, hey, I have a Padlet and I want you to look at these books. These books might help your student. And they go here, click this book, and it pops up with a link to a completely new website where they can purchase the book themselves. So again, I think Padlet is a great resource to use in our classroom. I think it's great for students to collaborate with each other. You can even use this for get-to-know-you activities. You can just post information that you want them to see. This is also great for parents. You could honestly make your classroom website using Padlet. So thank you guys for listening, and I hope you want to use Padlet now.